The nonprofit and Southside Charter High School, a portable practical education preparation, are sending supplies to those affected by Hurricane John in Oaxaca, Mexico. KGUN9's Andrew Christensen speaking with the founder of their nonprofit on 46th and Benson about how they're hoping to help.
It's supplies like beans, trash bags, and rice that students from PPEP High School on the south side are helping with. Now, these supplies are going to be going to students from Oaxaca, Mexico that have been affected by Hurricane John. And this school tells me it's not just about educating students, but also helping the community. Bag after bag, students at Portable Practical Educational Preparation Tech High School are loading supplies.
It's a privilege to be able to have this opportunity because in other places they don't.
A senior in high school, Aiden Castro is making an impact.
We're fortunate enough to be able to do this and help them out.
Hurricane John destroyed communities, killing at least 17.
I feel like it will help give them hope.
That hope is why founder of PEP, David Arnold, says he helps others.
We have a school district in Oaxaca area that's similar to this one.
It's a school district he's been to 4 times, saying the area was also affected by Hurricane Max in 2017.
When you went inside of a clinic, there was just a bare floor.
That's why their warehouse has wheelchairs, walkers, and supplies. Why would you say you're linking education to helping?
Opportunity creates an opportunity to give back not only to yourself, your family, your community.
It'll just help them look into the future.
And Arnold tells me all those supplies that they're collecting are going into these 2 shipping containers before they go to Mexico. He says they also serve over 50 other municipalities in Sonora. Reporting on 46th and Benson, Andrew Christensen, KGUN9.
Hola, doctor Arnold. En nombre del Colegio de Bachilleres del Estado de Oaxaca, Cobao Plantel 55 de San José del Progreso,
le queremos dar las gracias a usted y a su fundación por este apoyo, que sin duda será de gran ayuda para nosotros.
Y esperemos poder tenerlo de nuevo en nuestras instalaciones. Muchas gracias.